What's up, y'all? We are back. We took last week off because life got to lifing. I had a pretty busy week with just like work and family stuff. Then, unfortunately, one of our dogs passed away. This is tougher than I thought. Yeah, one of our dogs passed away unexpectedly. Chevy, he was the oldest one that we had. He's a miniature pinscher. He unfortunately passed away. And honestly, I took that kind of hard. I've had work all week, had a lot of my niece's soccer games. It was just kind of a lot. We are gonna make a little picture frame for Chevy, in honor of Chevy, so that he can live on and we can remember him for years to come. We got his paw prints. We got his paw prints on a piece of paper. Let me grab that actually, somewhere in here. That's poor little Chev's paw prints. May he rest in peace. We'll probably put it up in my brother's house somewhere. It's funny, this says, it's a baby girl. He wasn't a baby girl, he was a dog, and he was a boy. Anywho, we gotta figure out what kind of frame we wanna build. I was thinking about maybe just doing something simple out of like old pallet wood. So that's not too tough for me to do. Shout out Rambo, you know what it is. Shout out the rooster. So we could do something simple with old pallet wood. I don't even know if I'll miter because the miter's at my brother's house and I don't wanna go all the way over there for just that. Shout out Rooster, part 2. Yeah, so I think we might just do that. I think it'll be simple. It'll look rustic. My brother's house is pretty rustic. It'll look nice. We're gonna get back. That rooster is really out here. I just wanted to do this as a nice little memory for Chev. Just have something to remember him by. That rooster's crazy. Anyways, yeah, let's get to it. Anybody probably gonna want to do a little less. You probably do 7.5. Well, before we do any of this, let's clean this up a little bit. We'll run it through the good old planer. All right. Let's see what we're working with. That wasn't that great. That's not too bad. This goes there. I'm digging it. I'm digging it, y'all. What do y'all think? I think I'm good with it. All right, quick little update. This is where we're at. I had to put a bunch of wood filler. There was some staple holes there. Obviously my miters weren't good because I'm cutting them with a saw, circular saw by hand, so not perfect. So I just put some wood filler in those. Now we gotta let it dry. We're gonna sand really quickly after that, and then some staples on the back for the paw prints, and we'll be good to go. All right, y'all, I made a mistake, and I'll own up to it. You see that right there? That is leftover, oh, there you go, leftover wood filler that I didn't sand. Honestly, like when I was sanding, I thought I got it all, but clearly did not. I did already clear coat this. That's what I decided to go with. I was gonna do a polyurethane, but that like takes a really long time to dry, and I kind of just want to be done with this. I clear coated it just with like a rattle can. Came out nice. It looks nice, minus leftover wood filler everywhere. So since I'm bringing it up to you guys, you already know I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna let that clear coat dry a little bit more, then I'll sand it, all those spots, hit it with the clear again, then we should be pretty much done with it. Boom. Alrighty, y'all, we are running out of daylight to hang this bad boy. I think we're just gonna go with some simple tie wire, 13 5/8 or 6 and 13/16, sorry. Oh, there's a TikTok I want to do where this is an eraser, technically, I guess. Look, so we got that there. Let's see. Dude, how crazy. It's for real. That's so funny. That's awesome. I'm gonna make a TikTok on that. This part we gotta make sure we get perfect. I think that should be good. Actually looks pretty centered. There it is, guys. I think it came out pretty good. Got the little animals on the bottom, giving old chef company. Boom. Not bad for a few hours of work. Probably shouldn't have taken that long, but you know, I had to sand that extra stuff off, and honestly, I'm so glad I did because it looks way better. The miters, or supposed to be miters, look nice and clean and straight versus before it had like a blob all over them. Looks good. I think it'll look nice in the house. Let good old Chev's legacy continue on. Thought that turned out really well. I'm pretty excited. There was some bumps in the road, but that is to be expected when you are building things. Not everything goes according to plan. I want to just leave you guys off with one last thing.